Yeah, 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 yeah. Linking on my brain. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, okay.
If you don't know how to make an audio or a video call of WhatsApp from computer or laptop, then this video is surely for you. Hello guys, a warm welcome to you on this channel once again. I am from Unlocking Tech Secrets. I hope that you are all well. Today I have brought very important and interesting topic, which is how to make an audio or a video call of WhatsApp from computer or laptop. I have seen a lot of people who wants to know that how can we make an audio or a video call of WhatsApp from computer or laptop. They curiously wants to know. That's why I thought why not to make a video on this topic. Although I got some requests to make a video on this topic, that's why I am making a video on this topic. Before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then you surely go for it. And it is a request on my side that do not skip any second of the video. If you skip any second of the video, you will surely lose some important tip or information. So let's go. First of all guys, I want to make it clear that we are not using WhatsApp web. Although WhatsApp web has great and fantastic features, but it has certain limitations too. Like you can only do text messages as well as voice messages on WhatsApp web, but you cannot make an audio or a video call using WhatsApp web. And one more thing you should know or remember, that you can use your complete WhatsApp only on one device. Remember that. For example, if you are using your WhatsApp onto your mobile or tablet earlier and now you are thinking to shift onto PC or laptop, then make sure you select only one device for using WhatsApp. You cannot use your complete WhatsApp onto multiple devices. Remember that. But if you get tired of using WhatsApp onto your PC or laptop, then you can shift back to your mobile or tablet. That's not a big deal. You just have to delete the software which I am telling you later. That's it. The software here I am recommending you is Knox. It is one of the great software to use WhatsApp on computer or laptop. For downloading this software, you just have to open up your browser and then you have to type www.bigknox.com and then hit enter. I will also provide the link in my description section. And now you have to click on this download button. This software is around 370 MB. I have already downloaded and installed this software in my laptop. Therefore, I am skipping this step. After downloading Knox, you will get two icons. These are the two icons. Now you have to open up the first icon, which is Knox. Just click on it. The software will initialize. As you can see that the software is initializing. Yeah, that's it. The software is initializing. The first step is you have to log in with a Google Play Store account or a Gmail account. After initializing, you will get this screen. You have to first of all sign in to Google account. I am signing in. And I will click on next, and now I have to put password. Now I am giving my password. After giving my password, I will click on this next button, and now I will click on this I agree, and now it will ask for backup to Google Drive. Just open it up, and then you have to click on this accept. After signing in, you will get this screen, and now you have to click on this bar, search bar, and then you have to type WhatsApp, sorry, WhatsApp, and then you have to click on this first link. After clicking on the link, you will see the screen like this. Then just you have to click on this install button, and now you have to accept, and now you can see that it is downloading WhatsApp. It will take some time and I will just skip this step. After downloading and installing WhatsApp, you have to click on this open button, and now you have to click on this agree and continue, and now you have to give your mobile number here. First of all, you have to give your country code, then you have to type your number. After writing your number, then you have to click on this next button, and now it will ask for verifying the number. Just you have to click on this OK. Just put the verification number. That's it. It is verifying. After giving some permissions, you will see the interface like this. As I have only one contact right now, therefore I will try to make a call. I will first of all click on this green button, and now I will select this contact, and now I will click on this an audio call button. Start voice call. Yeah, calling. As you can see that the call is going on, and now you can listen also that I am receiving the call right now. Similarly, you can make a video call too. Just you have to click on this button. That's it. If you like this video, then you can hit like. You can also comment me up if you face any sort of problem. I will surely respond it as soon as possible. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep promoting, keep subscribing my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Cheers.